Good morning, welcome back or welcome. I have great news. My Link stuff has arrived. Let's do a little unboxing.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Got my standalone right here. Now, I did get excited and open all of it before, so it's definitely not in the order it was packed in. Some stickies. Look at that. Official. I also got some accessories.
These are mandatory. You need these things to make that work.
Exactly. This is all brand new to me, which is crazy considering what my job is. But here's my can lambda. Look how cutesy it is. It's so tiny.
It's crazy that this little square costs as much as it does.
Yeah, crazy. You guys do not want to know how much money I dropped on all this. I don't even want to recall. It hurt.
Too much.
It hurt my bank account a lot.
I'm all out of money!
I want to eventually turbo. So I figured since I can't really find out what's wrong with my car, might as well pull the trigger now so I can find out what's wrong, fix it, and then go the turbo route eventually. That being said, we are not doing anything today.
What?
I know, bummer.
Why?
It's fine. I just had a long day. I didn't expect this to get here as soon as it did, but I do plan to take a full day this weekend to do all of it.
And then Jimmy's gonna tune it.
Yes, I love having an in-house tuner. Before we get into that though, hit pause, check out the pre-order. It ends tonight. Shirts, hats, camo, Y2K, Y2 Kai. Come on, check it out.
The next day.
The moment you've been waiting for. It is time to install all my Link goodies. First things first is locating my stock ECU, which I know is behind my passenger seat. I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope I don't need to take out the seat to access it. So let's put down the top and hope for the best. Doesn't seem like there was much leeway back there. So Jordy reminded me, this bitch is still on a slider. So we're good, we're Gucci. Ta-da! The beauty, the grace. Should unplug the battery before we start messing with wires.
What are you doing? You're unclipping?
Attempting to. I'm sweating so bad right now.
You got it.
Give me 10. Give me 10. So this is the board. We have to unscrew this and insert it in. But if you notice a difference, this has 2 plugs. This has technically 4. One of them is dead. So 3.
You're incredible at math.
We're not using the really tiny one right there. From our research and after a couple mental breakdowns and screams, it's emissions, so we don't need to use that plug. Thank you, Jimmy, for the insight. Last screw, Jordy was nice enough to get us a table to work on instead of the table on my car. Whoa, science.
Tecnologia! Careful, SpongeBob, careful.
Nice.
See my finger shaking?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we got a clean slate. Should I clean the inside before I put the new one in?
It can't hurt, right?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit it with glass cleaner real quick, give it a little wipe down, because honestly, it's been in my car for 30 years? Almost 30 years?
29.
29.
There's no going back now.
Clean hands.
Don't drop it.
This is crazy looking. We got can 1, can 2, a computer plug. That's Jimmy's shop. Before we actually do install this, we need to focus on the vacuum line to connect, which we're going to connect it to my throttle body. We ended up snaking it through my old cruise controller hole. As you can see, it's coming out from underneath the driver's side. And we gotta tuck it, make it look nice to connect to the ECU over there.
2 very boring minutes later.
After some roping and tucking, the line, perfect. It's running along here. Little loop-de-loop right here. You can't see it, but it's in my cup holder. Look at that. but I tucked it up so you can't see it. It actually keeps my cup holder in place too. Runs under here and then into the dash, in the firewall, to the throttle body.
Whoa.
I'm sweating. Next up is our CAN connector. We are gonna plug it into the CAN 1.
CAN 1, CAN 2.
I'm also seeing if my job has a CAN extension that I could buy from us, or if we have to makeshift one. We also have to wire it to a 12 volt, so that should be fun.
15 minutes later.
Another trip to AutoZone, since we had to get the vacuum hose earlier, and we got our fuse box jumper. Now I am gonna go down and under my dash to try and plug this in.
Nice. And she wanted me to fit in there, guys.
I did not say I wanted you to fit in here. I just didn't know that this was part of the process. It's in. It's time to see if it works. It's still reading 12 when my car is off. That's not good. I have to plug it into a different spot. So we'll be back when we do that and I'll keep you guys updated. Key off.
0.
Cool.
Key on. Nice.
Cool. Let's get this old O2 sensor out. I can't point to it because I'm holding the flashlight, but you can see it. So before I loosen this, had to unplug it. That nice plug right here.
Okay.
I'm trying my best.
You know when they say hit it with your purse? You're literally hitting it with a pocket bag.
Nice.
Nice. Kai, tell me exactly what that is and what it does.
The CAN Lambda,
Yeah,
it connects everything to the ECU.
keep going.
What is its specific function?
It helps read everything, doesn't it?
It's one sensor. What does it read?
The O2 sensor.
Okay, and then how does it communicate to the ECU? It's in the name.
By the CAN.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Good
there you
job. Yes.
Yeah. What? Clock it. Clock it.
Clock it.
Why do you know that?
Oh, wrong one.
Nice.
There we go. Ooh, this is fun.
Good job.
It's squishy.
Can you do like sitcom things where they like the cheering and then like the clapping and the laughing?
Do you not watch?
No. The answer is no.
Okay, baddie. Looks so good.
Can't hide money.
You're always munching. Forgot to tell you guys. The fuse box wire we ended up snaking along with the vacuum hose. As you can see right here, snaked it along and it's right where it should be. Cleaned up our table just teeny tiny bits.
It's that time, Kai.
Not videoed. I'm sorry. A lot of things have been done off camera because it's very frustrating. I hope you guys understand, but I am trying to explain what we are doing as best as possible. We drilled a hole into our bracket here to fit the vacuum hose so it can fit the nice orientation of everything. The only downside is we gotta snake everything in the car. ECU is bolted back in, ground screwed in, wires are connected. Last thing to do is to make the extension for the CAN, which we got Jimmy for.
What is the ECU back there?
Yeah.
Bullshit. Do you want to put a splice in it for the CAN gauge?
That would be sick.
That would be sick.
Cool.
I don't know if that works
Yeah.
better.
We'll do like a 2 feet before the.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah, get to work.
Yeah, mother. Just hold that right there for me. Yeah, I'll put it on the long side because you could just tie it up.
Yeah, I'll just tuck it under the carpet.
Oh, you're getting fancy with that.
It's the only way to do it, Kai.
I feel like I'm at work right now.
Oh, yeah. Am I more like Brian or Rob or Earl?
You're talking too loud if you.
Okay.
We're getting somewhere.
We're getting somewhere.
Don't bother me. That's crazy.
Oh, sorry, that was subconscious. Good job, Jordy.
Thanks,
Kai.
man.
Hold on, ready?
Yeah.
Damn, Kai, you killed that. I'm proud
Oh
of
my
you.
god, wiring specialties is teaching me so good. Thank you, Jimmy.
Yeah,
This is
gotcha.
sick. He loomed it up real nice too. Heat shrink, everything.
Nice and pretty. Pretty car gets pretty things.
Nice. Oh, thanks. That's the first compliment you ever gave me about my car.
That's cap. Yeah, get your big head under there.
Oh, I see it. It's like one of those glory holes in a gas station bathroom.
Yeah, that's exactly what it's like. Yo, have you seen the Glory hot dog holes?
Can you grab it?
Yeah, I got him. Well, I got two. I'm trying. Yes. Do you need a light?
Why, you got one? Why you giggling?
Is this what it's like to have a dad?
I don't know. I don't know.
Nice, Kai.
And that's how you install a LINK ECU. ECU is not turning on. Jimmy's probing.
There's a short somewhere. Not ideal.
Are you ready for Scream Round 2?
Honestly, a little bit, yeah. There is a short somewhere. We don't know where. It's reading somewhere in this area. All we know is it's a white wire with a red stripe. So,
12-volt switch.
yeah. Jimmy's gonna order a special tool because he needs it anyways in the shop. So we're gonna wait for that to arrive, hit the quick wave around like we're at TSA in an airport, and see if we can find the short and go from there. But everything's installed! Yay! Thank you, Jordy and Jimmy, for helping me. Couldn't have done it without you because I suck when it comes to wiring. And I need to go back to the gym after my toe fully heals. I got a couple more days. We're doing okay. I've been walking normally lately. See you guys tomorrow.
There's apparently no plug-and-play option for a 96 or 97 NA Miata with a 1.8. So, we gotta start from ground zero.
I'm beat. I gotta buy a brand new ECU again, so bear with me, y'all. I'm just as frustrated as you. I just want to drive my car. I want to fix it. I want to produce videos. This is fun for me. It hasn't been fun lately because of this process, but fingers crossed, we will get to it. In the meantime, check out the merch. Help support me buy this ECU. We'll be back next week, hopefully with the new one. So please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you then.